If you have been thinking about selling your investment property, the latest data across Fort Myers, Cape Coral, Naples, and Lehigh Acres paints a very clear picture. The market is shifting, and sellers need to be more strategic than they have been in recent years. Across our market, the number of closed sales is down dramatically compared to last year. In many cases, we are seeing declines of over 70%. This sharp drop in sales volume tells us one key thing: there are fewer active buyers in the market today. That creates more competition among sellers and makes pricing and presentation more important than ever. While sales activity has dropped significantly, home prices have not crashed. Instead, they have gradually adjusted downward. Looking at the historical data, median sales prices today are roughly in line with where they were about 3 years ago, around 2022 levels. After the rapid price growth we saw in 2023 and 2024, the market has essentially corrected back to a more sustainable baseline. This is an important distinction. We are not seeing a collapse in pricing, we are seeing a normalization. A major factor keeping prices from falling even more is seller behavior. Many sellers are still pricing their homes based on past market conditions. As a result, those properties are sitting on the market longer and often expiring without selling. Meanwhile, sellers who are willing to adjust their expectations and price their homes according to current market conditions are still successfully closing deals. This creates a filtering effect where only realistically priced homes are selling, which helps stabilize overall price data. If you are considering selling, timing alone is no longer enough. Strategy is everything. You can still sell your property in today's market, but pricing it correctly from the beginning is critical. Overpricing often leads to extended time on market, price reductions, or listings expiring altogether. On the other hand, if your property has built significant equity over the past few years, you may still be in a strong position to sell and capture that value. For investors who prefer to hold, rental demand in Southwest Florida remains steady, and a well-managed property can continue to perform. The market has shifted, but opportunities still exist for informed sellers. If you are realistic, data-driven, and willing to adapt to current conditions, you can still achieve a successful sale. At Kaplan Pro Realty DBA Rentify Property Management, we help property owners navigate changing market conditions with confidence. Our approach is built on trust, transparency, and maximizing your return on investment. If you are even considering selling, the smartest first step is understanding exactly where your property stands in today's market. We are offering a free comparable market analysis to give you a clear, data-driven view of your property's value and selling potential. Reach out today to get your free report and make the most informed decision for your investment. Call 239-790-6814.